this for Rainbow Dash's view. Oh my gosh. Where did these come from? I think it's a package from Pinky. Let's get started. Hey guys. I already said that in the past videos. Like y'all. And today we're going to review these. It's not noise bots anymore. It's Prince. I think it's gonna be fine. My eyes gonna be there. It's gonna be so creepy out. Okay, let's open. Oh my! I didn't notice it was opened. Okay. These bots again. I think they're freaking me out. Ew. Gosh. Oh my god. This again. Okay, let's put it in the bag. Okay. There. Put it. It's like, whoa. It's like, what? Wait. Let me get the. You can't see it. It's so rainbowy. Yeah, okay. Let's open another one. Let's open from the bottom. 3, 2, 1. Easy. Okay, oh my. Okay, let's put it in the trash can. I think the trash can is here. No. There. These are the bots. I wish you're in the video. So bad. So sad. These are different. It's so blue. There's no battery. There's just glass.
Oh,
just
no.
Made glass, something like that. Like, it's kind of different. It has sparkles, just like when I turn on the lights, there's sparkles. Wow, there's sparkles. Just wow. Okay. I hope you enjoy, guys. Yeah. Thank you, Pinkie Pie, for like, what in the world? For delivering this. Give thanks to Pinkie, and yeah, bye.